and it's not okay.
Everyone.
That second primalist almost didn't die. Let's not be that close, please.
We're missing grit to point and possibly Kahuna question mark.
No, just grit.
We were dead for the third.
Okay, I'm gonna try to not dispel at all this poll.
Didn't we tell you to stop doing that a while ago?
But they were getting off. Or like there'd be like 2 seconds and it's still
don't
going.
Don't dispel. What? Stop it.
Press heals on me harder. In lieu of it.
And didn't it even heal last poll?
No.
Oh, I thought it did.
All the healing we're talking about
Breaking.
is the fucking fire callers.
I'm pretty sure there's been 0 heals tonight.
Every time we've talked about heals tonight, it's all fire callers except for the one primalist that healed in the first pull. So fucking
And
stop pressing dispel.
All stuff.
Thank you. Only took a few times saying it.
Cause I didn't see it gets to like 2 seconds.
It's not your
like,
problem
okay.
if it gets off. Don't be a hero. Just do your job.
I am watching it, man. Don't you worry about it.
Make me nervous. Breaking.
Dropping.
Oh, repair, repair, repair. Holy shit.
I think it's just 1 tick.
Frag and Aphis, careful.
We're still ahead. Combat. Oh, breaking.
Give me a little bit of a late break. Breaking. Should be done. Move, move, guys. Dropping.
Did your side get less there? I just used it. I think it was a few before a few people got the portal.
I don't have it.
Moon, everybody on Moon. Where are you, Code? Is he?
Right underneath you, right there.
Watch falling back.
You ready to kill the primal?
Kill it. Bomb bag. Bomb bag melee.
Dropping.
Triangle damage.
Guys, get on melee.
Make sure that you have the fire callers in here as soon as they spawn. We're on the new. We're on the primal.
I have just one guard.
Fire callers, get them in. Alright, get the fire callers dead as we move across, please. Everybody who does not have volatile fire, go stack on the next primal, please. Moon will be dying here.
Please pay attention to your ruptures in melee.
Have I missed the third spawn? Or is it just not up here?
No, it's just not up. It's spawned right
You're
now.
a little too close. You're gonna spawn a shield on it.
Yes, I'm seeing it right there.
Got it. On the primal, guys. Bring Diamond in now. Triangle is not in.
Triangle out.
Fragmented, get out. Get the fire callers in, please. Everybody DPS Diamond now while DPSing the fire callers. Leave fire callers. Make sure we don't let these fire callers heal. Kill Diamond. Fire caller's gonna try to heal soon. Right now. Kill him. Kill the primalist. Execute the primalist.
The one trying not to be in.
No, triangle is going to be on the other side. You're going to be on number 3. As we turn this corner, if you have a debuff out, everybody else on melee. Get triangle into melee, frag.
Got melt. I'm
No,
going.
just kill
Oh, yeah,
Moon,
rupture.
keep triangle out.
Alright, keep triangle out, sorry.
Where's
Moon.
Moon? Where's Moon?
Kick triangle for him. Kick
Moon
it.
is out of
Yeah,
range now.
just settle,
It's out of range.
relax.
Health
Move triangle in.
Oh, I broke.
No, we're in. Res wise guy.
On prime.
Keep
Check out
triangle.
of range.
Everybody health pot. Res both of them. Alright, move triangle in there.
Over wise guy.
No, there's 2 reses.
Get a kick on triangle, please. Get a kick on triangle. Kill triangle. Get these fire callers in there, please. Diamond needs to get out. Kahuna, get out. Kahuna, get out. Kahuna, get out right now, dude. Everybody on the primal. Finish this primal.
Can you stack me right?
Get it.
Thank you.
Finish the primal. Execute it. Alright, we're going to kill fire callers here. X just healed. We're going to be killing Diamond.
It's
It's
popped
dying
right now
it's
already.
popping.
Just get the fire callers over to the skull. We only have to do about 60% or so.
They're cap.
Can we kill the boss? Thank you.
Alright, get these fire callers down. Move in Moon, please. Move in Moon.
Needs to be kicked.
Josh, you need to be careful with the one that you have on you.
Yeah.
Kill Moon. Alright,
Lot of DPS.
Drinking.
group 4, use your second
Yeah,
pots.
We need big deep.
Frag, Kahuna, Thor, second pots on the fucking dude.
Whoever's out of my range. No,
Can't move.
Hopefully that should be good.
Heal.
We're in good shape here. If we kill
Everybody
it,
go back.
we got it.
I got the.
Everybody back to triangle and diamond. Do not splash. We need to kill fire callers. There's one punching sand trap.
Security guards.
2 guards left as well. They're right on purple.
Don't stack on each other.
Can I cap totem them? Is that okay?
Yeah, go
Yeah.
ahead.
Kill this fire caller. It's just looking at me. There's 2 fire callers up. It's skull and square.
Code, can you sack?
He's healing. Skull is
Careful
healing.
back.
Let's take the boss from me.
Spread
We're on
out.
the boss now.
No,
Still
there's
one
still a
fire
guard left.
Oh shit. And a fire color.
It's healed like 3 times. Melee, be very careful with your burn right here, okay, guys?
Taking the boss.
Oh shit, go ahead.
Just
Yeah.
get melted again.
We're on the boss. Just
Good
be
God.
very be careful with your fixates, guys. Be careful with
You
your
get that shit all the
fixates.
time.
Probably another
it-
melt,
keep
and
it.
we're moving. Do we have a fox? Agi, you're gonna be foxing. Fox now. Fox now. Everybody move forward. Watch your fixates. Do not splash on
Range stay
top of
back
each other.
though. Range stay back for Mel.
Sand trap, please.
Put your melts backwards, guys. Range kicks. Ranged kicks.
TLS, you're up next.
Melee, if you have one in range, do not be scared to kick it.
We have a res in 30 here.
Got it.
We should probably save it, honestly.
I agree. We're
I'm gonna
use it
splash
for a
range
healer.
unless we move.
Alright, let's move now. Thor, Fox.
Agi,
Range stay at the end of the
Taking
melts
the-
here.
Boss.
Ranged, if you have kicks, use them, please.
I need people to move up. Oh.
Keep
Good
it up.
timing.
Doing good. Don't move too far. Ranged are at max range right now.
Stay spread out with your fixates. You have eyes above your head. Do not be standing on top of somebody.
Code sack.
Alright, we're gonna
okay,
move
I
here.
can. I'm gonna
We're
use
gonna
it
move
after
here.
the next blast.
Kind of.
Alright, let's move.
Alice, I'm gonna vid you.
Oh, it's
Range,
far,
you
it's
need
far,
to be
it's far,
standing
far.
near the third one.
Watch out, Hunter.
Range, if you have
the
kicks, use it.
boss. Nope, I taunted a slag, TL.
I'm okay.
I can taunt.
No,
Let
I
me
got it. Just, no.
Keep Agi up. Get ready to
After
move
the
here.
next melt, we'll move.
Everybody Hellstone. Everybody Hellstone
No,
right
we're
now.
shrinking. Hang on.
Okay. Call that out,
There's a
please.
random berry.
Next one, we gotta move a little bit.
Move inside.
Just
Range,
keep-
make sure you stay towards the back.
There's melt in the
Please.
berry.
We have to.
Melt in the berry.
I couldn't do anything. Watch out.
It's okay, it's okay.
Alright, now Hellstone's fair game.
Please make sure you
Kill wall.
continue to use range kicks. Range kicks, guys. All free for all defensive cooldowns. Use everything you got.
GG.
Good job, guys.
Fucking finally.
Oh, you forgot to turn it on Mythic, Dave.
Oh, trinket. Yeah.
And 2 crossbows.
Oh.
You gonna stop whining now, hunters?
Was that the first time we didn't fuck up the Elementalist 2 slag and we killed it?
Yes, maybe.
Good job, guys.
That was like the cleanest we've ever gone into phase 3.
Yeah, that
Like, that was beautiful.
That
nice.
last phase.
That was
I,
beautiful.
I'm
I
gonna-
had mana.
I'm gonna attribute it to not dispelling.
That's it. Yep.
Oh yeah, thank you for
That's
finally
why I
not
had
dispelling
30
them.
more mana. 30% more mana. It's because you didn't dispel.
Alright, time for Black Hand, let's go.
Yeah, can we fucking take a picture?
Yeah,
and
we're
finish?
gonna do a
Oh, man.
We're gonna do a screenshot and we are gonna do heroic black hand. Sorry to make everybody stay over 20 more minutes, but
Whoa!
Son
Hold
of
on.
a
Fire
bitch.
Mage.
I'm
and
AFKing to
Unholy
that trash
DK.
so hard.
1 and 2 on Hardened Mountain. What's up, nerds? What's up,
Yeah,
nerds?
link the interrupts there last phase, okay? And let's see how Fire
Guys
Mage
ready
does.
to do it again tomorrow?
Link
No.
heals done the Agi in the last phase.
Yo, why are we needing to do it again tomorrow? In the next 25 minutes, we're gonna kill Black Hand. We're never gonna raid ever again.
Alright. Let's make a sweet screenshot over here. Oh, we even got melts left? This is baller as fuck.
Those